If Figma is showing error 202, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to designing flow. This issue is usually related to a network problem, a blocked connection, or something on your device interfering with Figma. The good news is that most people can solve it without reinstalling everything. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Now let's jump right in. The first thing to try is switching networks. If you're currently on a Wi-Fi, office internet, or school internet, test Figma using a mobile hotspot instead. This is one of the fastest ways to find out whether your current network is blocking the app. Connect your phone hotspot, reopen Figma, and try loading your file again. If it works on hotspot but not on your normal connection, then the issue is most likely your network and not Figma itself. Next, if you're on a restricted corporate or school network, you may need to check port 443. This port is essential for secure web traffic, and if it's blocked, Figma may not be able to connect properly. In this case, contact your network or IT team and ask them to unblock port 443 and Allowlist Figma.com. That simple change can often fix the error immediately. If you're at work or school, this step is especially important because firewall rules and content filters often block design tools without warning. After that, disable any security tools that might be interfering with the connection. Temporary VPNs, proxies, or third-party antivirus software can sometimes interrupt the way Figma communicates with its servers. Try turning off your VPN first, then disable any proxy settings if you use them, and if needed, pause your antivirus temporarily just to test whether one of those tools is causing the problem. Once you test Figma again, you'll know whether the error is coming from a security layer on your system. If Figma still isn't working, the next fix is to clear the desktop app cache. Over time, corrupted cache of files can cause strange login or connection errors, including error 202. Quit the Figma desktop app completely, make sure it's fully closed, and then clear the cache files from your system according to your operating system. After that, reopen the app and sign in again. If you don't want to deal with the desktop cache right away, another great workaround is to open your project directly in a web browser instead of the desktop client. Sometimes the browser version works perfectly, even when the desktop app is having trouble. Just go to figma.com, sign in, and open the same file there. If it loads in the browser, that confirms the issue is with the desktop app or local cache, not your account or file. So to recap, if you're seeing Figma Error 22, start by switching networks, then check port 443 and Allowlist Figma.com, disable VPN or security tools, and finally clear the desktop app cache or try the browser version. One of these steps usually solves the issue. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want a step-by-step fix for another Figma error.